Lucy, I bought your new school shoes today. Oh, they look very plain. Do you like them, sweetheart? They are. They are. Okay, I guess.
They will last a long time, Lucy.
They look very cheap to me. They're the best we could afford, sweetheart.
We hope they'll be okay.
Everyone will laugh at me in these.
Good shoes do not make a good person.
That is easy for you to say. Please try them on just once for me.
Yes, Luce.
They fit, but that is all. That is good. I am glad. Hi, Emma. Good morning. Good morning, Lucy. How are you today? What is wrong with you today? Mom bought me these shoes. They look fine to me, Lucy. Really, I was so worried. Honestly, you look great. My dad bought me new imported shoes. Lucy, did those come from a discount bin? They look nice, Lucy. Don't worry about it. Stop being rude, Olivia. That is enough. I knew this would happen today. It's okay. You're better than that. Good morning, class. Please settle down now. I do not want people to see them. Too late. Everyone already noticed them. I hate this whole day already. Tomorrow is Family Appreciation Day at school. Ah! My mom will come in her new car. I really do not know right now. Your mom is nice and caring. Nice does not stop people from judging us. I know it feels that way, but we don't have to let them get to us. We can still be ourselves. How was school today, Lucy? Fine. It was just fine. Oh, sweetheart, what's wrong? People laughed at my shoes today. I am sorry, sweetheart. I truly am. Why could you not buy normal shoes? Money is very tight right now. It is always tight in this house. I really did try my best.
It's okay, Clara. We'll find a way.
Your best makes me look poor.
She is really upset tonight.
I know. I just don't know what to do. She still does not know the truth.
Maybe we should tell her soon.
Lucy needed shoes for school badly.
I know she did.
I sold my wedding ring for them. Mom sold her ring for me?
That ring meant everything to both of us.
Lucy means more to me than that ring. Oh no! What did I do?
How much can you give me for this ring?
Let me see. It is worth more than you think.
Are you sure? I only need enough for school shoes.
Are you really sure about this?
Yes. I am completely sure.
I understand. Here is the money.
Thank you. I really mean that. I only saw cheap shoes before. Good morning, Lucy. Come sit down. Eat up, sweetie.
Mom. Where is your ring now?
I do not have it anymore. You heard us talking last night.
I was horrible to you, Mom.
Oh, sweetheart. Come here, sweetheart. Come here.
I am so sorry, Mom.
It's okay, sweetheart. Everything is okay.
I forgive you completely, Lucy.
Now you know what love really looks like. You look different today, Lucy. I feel different. I finally understand these shoes now. What do you mean by that? My mum sold something precious to buy them. Oh, Lucy. That is really heartbreaking.
Today, we thank the people who care for us.
At least my family buys me nice things. Wait. Nice things are not the same as real love. What do you even mean by that?
Would any student like to say a few words?
I do. I want to speak. I used to feel ashamed of my shoes. I thought they made me look poor. But my mother sold her wedding ring to buy them. Oh, I did not know that. I only saw cheap shoes. I did not see her sacrifice.
I never thought we'd have a moment like this again.
I told you everything would be all right, love.
Mom, I am truly sorry.
That is what real love looks like.
I am sorry for what I said before. Words can hurt more than you think.
I am very proud of you, Lucy.
I am proud of you too, Mom. Mom sold her wedding ring, and I only saw cheap shoes until I learned what love really costs.